Artificial trees are now widely used as home decoration because of their distinctive features compared to live plants and flowers. They are extremely popular because they do not require special care, longevity and appearance. Watering, getting rid of dull leaves, fertilizing, exposure to sunlight, etc. to keep them fresh and beautiful. Not necessary. So if you go on a trip or picnic, you don't have to worry about your plants, and when you return, they will be as fresh as when you left home. Nobody wants to see dull or wrinkled plants around. We all want the atmosphere around us to be cool and fresh. Decorating your home with artificial plants has many benefits. Real trees lose their appeal if not properly cared for. However, this is not the case with artificial plants. Artificial plants can also be reused, which means you can replace them as needed anywhere in your home. A fake tree or flower is more than just a vase you can use depending on your creativity. You can place it on the wall with a support. It can also be hung on stairs, bookcases and windows. It comes in a variety of designs and colors so it can easily match your decoration theme. Artificial trees also need care to keep them fresh and attractive. However, the level of care is much lower than that of a live plant. A quick weekly cleaning and systematic washing 2 to 3 times a year will keep them looking good and beautiful all year round. This type of service adds to its durability and reliability. Rayon plants require a little more maintenance than other plants to keep them looking fresh and beautiful. Modern artificial plants are built in such a way that they can easily replicate the real thing, giving your home a natural look. The materials he makes are so good you will love to play with him. Made from materials like orchids, ficus fibers, and more, this artificial indoor plant will add color to your home decor and highlight the overall theme. Artificial plants are one of the ideal decorations for your home. Buying and fake trees for your home is not difficult. You will really love indoor artificial flowers are easy to find in online stores. You can find all kinds of artificial plants in one place, online furniture store.